SAFe, or the Scaled Agile Framework, is a set of principles and guidelines for implementing lean agile development practices at an enterprise scale. It provides a blueprint for organizations looking to improve their software development processes and achieve better outcomes. Roles. SAFe defines several key roles that are crucial for its implementation, including 1. Product owner. Responsible for defining and prioritizing the product backlog. 2. Development team. Responsible for building and delivering the product increment. 3. Scrum Master. Facilitates the agile process and ensures the development team is following best practices. 4. Solution architect. Responsible for the technical vision and solution design. 5. Product manager. Responsible for the overall product strategy and market success. Ceremonies. SAFe defines several ceremonies to ensure a consistent and predictable process. These include 1. Sprint planning, where the development team and product owner plan the upcoming sprint. 2. Sprint review, where the development team demonstrates the completed product increment to stakeholders. Release planning, where the development team and product owner plan the next release. Artifacts. SAFe defines several artifacts to support the development process and ensure transparency and collaboration. These include 1. Product backlog, a prioritized list of features and requirements for the product. 2. Sprint backlog, a list of items from the product backlog that the development team plans to complete during the sprint. 3. Increment, the result of each sprint, representing an improvement to the product. 4. Program backlog, a backlog of features and capabilities for the entire program, which is made up of multiple backlogs from different teams. SAFe provides a comprehensive framework for organizations looking to improve their software development processes. By defining roles, ceremonies, and artifacts, it helps ensure a consistent and predictable process while also promoting transparency and collaboration. If you found this video useful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more PM tips.